Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a salad. It's my go-to salad that everybody absolutely loves at my house. So it's very easy. You can make it in less than 10 minutes. So let's get to it. So for the salad today, we will need some feta cheese, mango, cilantro, and arugula. So we're gonna start by chopping the cilantro. And why mango? Because I love mango. I mean, who doesn't love mango? It's bright, it's colorful, and so you have a mix of fruits and vegetable in a salad. It's very easy, and like you see, you don't need that many ingredients to do that. So what I'll do, I'll just add the cilantro to the arugula. The cilantro honestly is the secret ingredient to this salad. I'm just saying. Alright. Some mango. And some feta cheese. And now we'll move on to the vinaigrette. You'll see how to make a very easy vinaigrette. You don't have to buy one from the store. It's actually healthier. So let's get to it. So for the vinaigrette, we'll need some wine vinegar, olive oil, orange juice, salt and pepper, mustard, preferably Dijon mustard, and a little bit of honey. So let's start by putting the orange juice, a little bit of wine vinegar, some Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and you can always adjust it as you taste. A little bit of honey, and let's whisk it together. The orange juice with the mango is very good. The mix it's super delicious. So you want to mix it, and it doesn't even take 10 minutes. So you don't have to buy your vinaigrette. You can make your own as you wish, and it goes with the salad very well. All right, and now I'll start by drizzling the olive oil as I'm whisking it. So you want the vinegar and the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil is the best for vinaigrette. So yeah, it's going. Okay, so you want to make sure it's all blended very well, that you cannot see the difference between the olive oil and the vinegar. So you cannot see the separation. That's when you know that you've done it very well. So let's taste it. It's very good. It's very good. I love the orange. It's just personal choice. It's very good. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just add a little bit of the vinaigrette here. And this recipe you can do with your boys, with your kids. I have 3 boys, and let me tell you, it's a very fun recipe to make with the family. And you mix it together. Look at the color. Look at the orange and the white. It's just coming beautifully. Coming up beautifully. Look at this. Okay. Let's taste it. So you have feta cheese, mango, and arugula. It's very good. There you have it guys, an easy recipe in less than 10 minutes. Please don't forget to share comments and tell me what you like about the recipe and if you tried it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on to the next video. Bye bye.